friends, in today's video we're going to be changing the brake pads on this VW Caddy. These are the rear brake pads, so just going to crack on with it. So just going to take the cover off. Right, it's a 17mm socket to undo the bolts. Right, we're using a 13mm socket to undo the caliper bolts. There are two of them, one at the top and one at the bottom. Okay, that's the bottom one. That's the top one. Right, we're gonna pull the caliper out. There we go. That's the outer pad. That's the inner pad. Right. Now we're gonna pull the guide pins out. And we're gonna release these clips as well. Free them. Just gonna clean the area around there. Okay. Right. For that, I'm gonna be using a flathead screwdriver. Right, now we're gonna wind the piston back. Right, before we undo it, we're gonna be taking the brake reservoir cap off to release the pressure. Right, just going to undo the cap. Okay. Right, we're gonna be using a special winding tool to wind the piston back, and we're using a number 9 disc, which will fit here. Right friends, before I wind the caliper piston back, I'm gonna undo this ABS sensor. So you just press the clip here and then push it out. Okay, so that's how it comes out. And now what we're gonna do, we're gonna spray some brake cleaner on the piston itself, and then just gonna wind the piston back now, just like that. There we go, just like that. There we go friends, we push the piston all the way back. Just gonna spray some brake cleaner on it. Right, before I put the new brake pads, I'm just gonna clean it with the brake cleaner. Right, before we put these guide pins back into the clamp here, the caliper clamp, we're gonna apply plenty of grease on them. There you go, that's good enough. The top one goes in. Okay, now the bottom one. So you're just gonna push it in, just like that. Just gonna clean the excess grease off the pins. Right, these are our new brake pads. So we got these for $17.99 from our local shop. So before I slide them in, just gonna apply a little bit grease, just a little bit, not too much, on both pins here. So this one is the inner. Okay, so that's the inner one. Let's slide it in. Just gonna do the outer one. Little bit grease. Right, just going to slide the outer one now. There you go. That's the both pads in place. Now we're going to slide in the caliper. Right, the bottom one goes in here. We're going to be using a 13mm spanner. Just going to lock the pin. There we go, that's the bottom bolt secured. Now we're gonna do the top one. Again, we're gonna lock the pin. There you go, that's good enough. Right, now we're gonna clip in the ABS sensor all the way in. Okay, that's that, nicely secured. Right, just going to replace the cap. There we go. Right, now that we have fitted the new pads, just gonna put the wheel back on. There we go. Thank you very much for watching the video.